Hello, School of Collegiate Recreation faculty. I am Jake Eubank, and I just want to say I really appreciate the opportunity, and I'm honored to be considered a part of the very prestigious faculty for NERSA School of Collegiate Recreation. And I'll start right in and talk about why I think I am a viable candidate for one of these positions and why I think I would be successful in serving on the 3-year term for the School of Collegiate Recreation. One of a lot of some of my strengths that I think I can bring to the table, especially areas of focus that I consider myself an expert and have expertise in, that I really want to share and embody among our growing young professionals that we have within NERSA. And I want to focus on those 5 strengths that I think I can bring to the table. One is professional development, and many aspects within professional development. And I was lucky enough, starting as a student employee, to have various mentors within my career path that really helped me along the way as far as what it means to be a professional, and in areas of how to conduct yourself within the workplace. Because let's face it, we've all come across that one person that we don't think really received the proper mentorship as far as being professional in the workplace. The other one is career development, and sitting down with our young professionals and discussing what is a normal career development. What are some things that one should do to focus on to progress their career forward? How to conduct a proper job search, and what are the aspects among that? Resume writing, especially, is one of the things that I really enjoyed as a participant in Level 1 back in 2010, was that not only did we have a session on professional development and job searches, but we were instructed to turn in our resumes at the beginning of the week, and by the end of the week we were able to meet with the leader of our cohort so that he could give us some feedback on our resumes, which I valued a great deal. Along with the interview process and what exactly is considered a part of the interview process. The second is health and well-being. My dissertation was actually on looking at the effects of exploring participants in collegiate recreation, and some of the things that they focus on. And a lot of things came up that I'm sure you're all very well aware of, such as stress and anxiety, relationships, motivation, time management, and this all leading to what we're all here for, is academic success. I think that is very important to introduce to young professionals as ways to promote those ideas. Student engagement, bringing campus recreation to the classroom, and administration such as budgeting, risk management, and human resources. And what I'm doing to remain relevant within our field, because this is my first year as a faculty member at Lehman College. Lehman College is a small Hispanic serving college within the City University of New York system, CUNY. And a lot of them are non-traditional, first-generation students. And so what I'm trying to do here within our recreation, education, and therapy program is to build interest in campus recreation. Introducing, campus recreation as a viable field, because many of them don't understand what that is. Just like many of our family members don't understand what campus recreation is and what we do here. So introducing that as a possible source of employment within our academic program, we have 3 concentration areas. One is therapeutic recreation, one is administration, and the other one is exercise and sport. And so we're looking at conducting a curriculum change and changing exercise and sport to recreational sports, and really start to introduce the idea of campus recreation into our academic program. I also want to start making connections within Region 1. I have been within in the field for 10 years, so I do know many people within Region 1. But making stronger connections and becoming a part of Region 1 is very important. We also, our academic department is strongly associated with New York State Recreation and Park Society. And what can those two organizations, the Region 1 or at the state level, do and work together? But also, helping students attend conferences within Region 1 or at the state level as much as possible. I'd like to continue to add to the conversation, whether that be through discussion boards, through the NERSA community, or if somebody has a question that they aren't sure of, whether it comes to academics or aquatics. I want to add to that conversation and serve as a consultant, as someone that will pick up the phone and answer a question should they need it. I want to remain involved and relevant, and one of those ways that I intend to do that is join the faculty of the School of Collegiate Recreation and give back. As an attendee to both Level 1 and Level 2, I found this school itself as being one of the most influential in my career development, and I want to find a way to give back to NERSA through that way. I do want to remain on committees and keep attending conferences. I'm the only faculty member within at this school that really understands what NERSA is, and so I want to make sure that I'm remaining involved and relevant within the organization, along with conducting research. I want to keep on conducting research on college students from the lens of campus recreation, and whether that be look at well-being, understanding the barriers to participation, motivation, academic success, time management. From many aspects, we can continue to find new ways of serving our students. So that is my video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed watching, and like I said, I appreciate the opportunity to present myself, and wish you luck in moving forward. Thank you.